Welcome to Rainbow Crossing Elite, the estate series by American West. This is a 5-bedroom rooftop home with dual masters and room for a pool. It's got multiple levels. We're gonna start down here at the bottom. This is the fun room. So what I love is that its own apartment down here. It's self-contained, right? If you got a mother-in-law, maybe family staying with you, or honestly, if you wanna make this your area, this is the perfect little apartment down here. Shuffleboard section, own living room, that fireplace that's upstairs as well. Love this. The personal laundry room, this is it. It's like its own room in here. It's not some cramped laundry. You're not stuck in here, with like just this little area right here. It's just full-on room. More storage out to the garage, yeah.
What's this here?
Harry Potter closet. Own little world. This could be like a little kid bedroom. Yeah, right? It's like a Harry Potter mansion. Let's check out that bedroom. First closet, or as I like to call it, my girl's shoe closet. Second closet. Yeah. Oh, if you have a more secluded lifestyle, you kind of want to be by yourself, this master's perfect. It's away from the rest of the house. You basically have your own house down here. This is badass. Woo! We can fit 2 of me in here, and I barely fit in 1 shower. This is crazy. It's like an Usher video in here. Let's head up. Oh my God, look at this.
Big windows.
Wow, big windows, tons of light. Look at that view of every mountain in the city. This is nuts. Hey, the fireplace is back. So you can call it living room, family room, however you want to set it up. Once again, if you have a party going on, Super Bowl party, man, you could have the Buccaneers on this screen, the Chiefs on that screen. You could have something downstairs. I mean, this is like a perfect entertainment pad.
I like how the kitchen's nice and open with the dining room area right here.
Yeah, the front of the house, this is kind of the peak right here. This is the peak of this second level. The kitchen area, this big ass granite table. What does that fit? 1, 2, 8? God dang, which favorite part of this kitchen? Is it the gigantic counter, the overstuffed pantry, or this ridiculous fridge?
I think I might have to go with the fridge.
Oh my goodness. I would never have to throw away leftovers ever again. I don't know. There's a big secret, right? But I want to show you the master bedroom before we get there, but I promise we'll get to the big secret. This is more of your traditional master bedroom. Big open windows. Yeah. The downstairs one was the big super shower, which honestly took up a lot of the bath. This one, you get your walk-in shower, your sick garden tub, and then instead of having 2 separate closets, it's like it's like MTV Cribs in here, right? Your own built-in dresser, little watch stand on top of here, lights in the cabinet so you can see what you're hanging up. So basically, my girl's closet, my girl's closet, my girl's closet, my girl's closet. This is my closet, this is me. My dress shirts and yeah, the bottom half. Down there. Kind of puts you right on top of it.
Another level?
Little secret level. Come on up. Imagine on the rooftop, you have a cocktail bar. You get the view of the strip, you get your cocktail, you come back down to the rest of the party. It creates almost like a 4-level event.